northwestern Morris County, northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Worcester County in central New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, eastern Northampton County in eastern until 2:15 p.m. At 1:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located 25 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Intact, damaged roof, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Perth Amboy, Easton, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, Fort, Middlesex, Princeton, Boundbrook, Mandel, and Williamstown. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 10 and 12, Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 74 and 76, Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers, Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 16, between mile markers 69 and 74, Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 28, Garden State Parkway between mile markers 126 and 132. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, you are struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring